Alright, the CPU unboxing of the Ryzen 7 2700X is a Pinnacle Bridge series, 8 core, 16 thread, 4.3 gigs max boost, 3.7 gigs base, discrete graphic cards required. So that's the box around here. That's the processor here, Ryzen 7 2700X. I have right here, and so it's still sealed. I'm gonna use this. Bought it with a motherboard for 320 altogether. This by itself, it's on sale, is about $280 dollars, and yeah, I suggest buying at the end of the year when you get a good deal. Okay, so on the left side, that's the processor right here. Okay, there's even a sticker that you can stick on your case here, and that's the Ryzen 7 2700X. Then you have the fan. So most of the thing is the fan, and then that's it. Most of the thing is the fan. The fan, this is a stock fan. So if you guys want to buy like a more powerful fan, but yeah, you can, but I'm gonna use the stock fan that came with the processor here. And so it has look at this, it's all brand new. Okay, that's the AMD fan, and it came with two cables, and I guess you're supposed to plug this for the fan to run. And then is there any other plug right here? It has a LH right here. And so let's see, these two fans are like, okay, connector, USB here, a small connector here. So let's go ahead and install the Ryzen. So to install it, you have to lift, so pull this out, lift this up, right? Then you want to unbox this. Alright, that's the processor here. I'm gonna leave this here for now, and the sticker, we're gonna worry about it later. And this has a coat, a plastic cover over this. See, it's split into two layers here. You can pull it up. Okay, pull it up like this, and make sure don't bend the pin. So sure, take it from the side here. Okay, don't touch the pins, because those are like static and you might damage processor. And those are, so you see there's a side that goes to it. So as you can see, there's an arrow here, right? And then on here you're probably gonna see, so you don't have match the edge, so the arrow here will go to here, this corner here. So make sure you're facing this to that corner, like that, like this. So the corner here goes on the top here. This one is diagonal, and arrow going in. So make sure it's sitting comfortably in, so it just sits by itself like this. Okay, and once you're done, you have to pull this down and then clip this like that, right? Look at the new. Okay, so now it's clipped in. We're gonna add the heatsink on top of this. So heatsink. I think we just need to put this on, but I'm gonna show you the instructions here that came with a box. So limited 3-year warranty, installation instructions. This processor, okay, is covered by 3-year warranty. And let's see inside the book here. What's inside? Hold on. Alright, that's the instructions after I opened the installation instructions that came with it. So for the AM4 CPUs, that's how you would install. There's also a socket TO4, but mine is AM4. So for AM4 CPUs, read on this line, not this line, okay? Because this one is for FM2 and AM3. AM4 CPUs. So Phillips screwdriver required for installation. You lift it up, put it in the CPU. Then you're gonna add the fan in and make sure it docks. So make sure you plug in the cable for the fan so you have power. Option to Phillips screwdriver, but mine is already here, attached here, so I don't need Phillips screwdriver right now. And so okay, so mine is this one because it's already installed. And what you put is, you just make sure that this is facing like this, so it grabs this on both sides. Okay, and I plug in the LED. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so the paste is already put on here, and I didn't have to like remove anything. So this one's gonna attach. You see this on both sides. It's gonna attach on this side and on this side. So you can see there's a kind of like dongle. So I'm gonna face this way. So this will hook into this. It's a hook. Okay, so make sure. So after you put it, you have to lift the lever to tighten it up. So first you unloose it, like loosen it up. Then start with this side first. So you tilt on this side, so it grabs that. Okay, it grabs inside here like this. Now you can see it grabs inside like this, right? And then on the other side. So this is the installation from the motherboard for MM4 box cooler. That's the one I have. And first step is put it on. Second step, hook it on here, right? Third step is this side after that. Then the fourth step is to pull the lever on the right. So lever needs to be on the left first, so we're gonna do that. Here is not on the left, it's on the right, so it's loose. It's loose, and as you can see right here, I put it inside the dock, the hook, and we're gonna pull this so it gets into the other hook down there. Oops. Okay, so just push this down and it will hook to the other side. Then when you have both sides secured, we're gonna pull this lever, okay, and make sure it's sitting correctly in the middle. I'm gonna pull this lever here to the other side, so it's gonna tighten it up the whole thing. Okay, so now it's here, so we move from here to here, that lever, and it shouldn't move anymore. As you can see, it's sitting tightly in that socket, and it looks sturdy. It's not moving. So next thing, we're gonna install the RAM. So we have